3, 2, 1.
What type of boy is Macaulay Culkin's character, Richard Tyler, in the 1994 movie The Pagemaster? The answer is B. Timid. Mikhail Bakunin, an 1800 socialist, was also the father of what other ideology? The answer is D. Anarchism. What boxer was crowned Sportsman of the Century by Sports Illustrated and the BBC in 1999? The answer is A. Muhammad Ali. What famous Mexican dish consists of eggs served on tortillas and topped with salsa? The answer is B. Huevos rancheros. What is the belief that free market forces will always lead to the most efficient allocation of resources? The answer is C. Laissez-faire capitalism. The Three Machines, introduced by Lou Albano in the mid-80s, featured three masked superstars. They were Axe, Andre the Giant, and who else? The answer is C. Black Jack Mulligan. What is the basic unit of structure and function of living things? The answer is B. Cell. What structure connects the phylum Annelida to the phylum Arthropoda? The answer is A. Segmentation. What is the common name for the larynx? The answer is C. Voice box. About 95% of fresh water in the USA is underground. What is the name of the biggest source of fresh water in the USA? The answer is B. The Ogallala Aquifer. During labor, what do contractions of the muscular walls of the uterus cause? The answer is B. Cervical dilation. Which disease is treated by synthroid levothyroxine? The answer is B. Hypothyroidism. When do weather balloons return to Earth? The answer is A. When it bursts. What is the world's largest lake by surface area? The answer is A. Caspian Sea. In what state was Franklin D. Roosevelt FDR born, and from what college did he get his undergraduate degree? The answer is C. New York, Harvard. I have keys, but no locks. Who am I? The answer is A. Piano. Which of these television networks came first? The answer is C. NBC. Ed McMahon was married 3 times, fathering how many children? The answer is D. 5. Which of these was the head of the Philippine government during the Spanish period? The answer is D. Governor General. Which Greek god is associated with wine and madness? The answer is C. Dionysus. Which substance is used in an Epsom salt bath? The answer is A. Magnesium sulfate. Jerry Lewis has often taught film classes in California. Which answer includes 2 of his students? The answer is A. George Lucas and Steven Spielberg. What is the name of the smallest planet in our solar system? The answer is A. Mercury. What vegetable is often used to make ratatouille, a traditional French dish? The answer is A. Zucchini. What is the name of Jeremy's band on the animated show Phineas and Ferb? The answer is B. The Incidentals. What is the name of the dark patch in Orion's belt? The answer is C. Orion's Nebula. Which capital is the highest in elevation among G20 nations? The answer is B. La Paz. What does that button do? The answer is D. Dexter's Laboratory. Who directed the 1960 Best Picture winner, The Apartment, starring Jack Lemmon and Shirley MacLaine, as a follow-up to Some Like It Hot? The answer is A. Billy Wilder. What is the name of the 4th champion of the fictional Triwizard Tournament? The answer is A. Harry Potter. How many hours are there in a day according to civil time? The answer is B. 24. Which of the following planets is closest to the Sun? The answer is D. Mercury. Where are sponges most likely anchored to? The answer is D. Reef or rock. In the late 1800s, the European nations scrambled to acquire colonies in Africa. Which of the following did not become a colony of a European country? The answer is B. Liberia. What type of reactions are chemical reactions that release energy? The answer is D. Exothermic reactions. Which tree produces rubber? The answer is C. Rubber. Overpopulation takes place when the number of organisms in an area exceeds what? The answer is C. Carrying capacity. For the reaction between silver nitrate and sodium chloride, which of the following would be a product? AgNO3 plus NaCl. The answer is D. AgCl. What kind of organism is the greater glider, a gliding animal indigenous to Australia? The answer is C. Mammal. What lives in their habitat? The answer is A. Dahlias. What was Kel's favorite beverage on the show Ken and Kel? The answer is D. Orange soda. During the 1970-1971 season, which Eastern Conference team had the best record and got the Most Valuable Player award? The answer is D. Milwaukee Bucks. What are the contacts between neurons called? The answer is D. Synapses. What year did the original Rocky movie come out? The answer is A. 1976. Which character on The Shield uses the alias Cletus Van Dam? The answer is C. Shane Vendrell. Which instrument is also known as the violin family's big brother? The answer is A. Cello. Which fruit is rich in vitamin C? The answer is D. Kiwi. How many vertebrae is the average human born with? The answer is A. 33. The following words belong to which Grey's Anatomy character? My mom is a filthy whore. The answer is B. Meredith. What helps to regulate consciousness, arousal, and sleep states?